A great way to expand your professional network is by joining professional groups on websites like LinkedIn or Facebook. So you have organizations like Nashimba, Alpha, Shep that you can join, where you get to talk and discuss different topics with members who are usually professionals working already in different corporations. The other thing you can do is many big corporations have what they call employee resource groups. These are groups of employees that are usually grouped by interest or affinities. So they'll have a Hispanic employee resource group or an Hispanic affinity group. These groups exist so that the people can discuss issues that pertain to the company where they work, but also to reach out to top talent like you. So by starting a conversation with them and becoming known within the group, you get yourself an opportunity to hear about what's going on and get offers for internships eventually, to come in for informal interviews, or to find out about job opportunities that you may not know otherwise. And as usual, if you have any questions, just click on the questions banner on our website and one of our experts will answer you directly.